TTT round one.
Everyone clear on what each of the cards mean?
Yep.
Red, terrorist. Black, ace, detective. What's that?
There's only like 3 rolls.
Yes.
Once you take your card, keep it to yourself. Stay in the area.
Yep, you gotta stay here. Still gotta stay here.
Stay here.
I don't like the look on your face. Get away from me, homeboy. I think Daniel left. Daniel!
He had 7.
Oh, he walked out. Yeah, I guess not.
Alright, I'm happy with the 1 that's left, so. Alright guys, make a semicircle right here. I need you to all be able to see one another. Don't get too close, obviously, but yeah, semicircle, kind of, sort of.
That's good.
And stuff a little bit. Alright. Everyone, close your eyes. Head towards the ground. Make one fist out in front of you with an outstretched arm. Everyone should have one arm out in front of them. Alright. If and only if you have a red card and are a terrorist, make a thumbs up.
Wait, if you're what?
If you have a red card and you are a terrorist, make a thumbs up. If and only if you have a red card and you are a terrorist with a thumbs up, open your eyes, and if there is another terrorist, look at that other person or other people. Alright. Thumb or thumbs down. Everybody put their arms down. You can open your eyes and disperse. You have 30 seconds to pick a starting location.
Oh dear. Hi.
Thank you.
Damn it. That man walking out. That man walking out.
How many people do we have that started?
7, 6, 6.
Where'd you inform?
There's one more person.
Actually, wait, that is it.
Yeah, that's it. Josh is the last one. Josh!
All right, Terrace win.
God damn it.